Alright, so I'm going to help you guys out with a quick 5-minute practice session on how to get your scales done. This is the B-flat concert scale in less than 5 minutes, and you get tons of repetitions. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with just the first 4 notes, okay? You're going to play those over and over and over again until you don't make a mistake. So let's do that a couple times right now. Here we go. First 4 notes. 1, 2, ready. Let's do it again and go. 2 more times and go. Last time and go. Alright, now let's practice going all the way up the scale. Make sure you look at your key signature so that you know exactly which buttons to press down. Alright, so here we go. All the way up the scale. 1, 2, and ready. Do it again. And 1, 2, and ready. Do it again. And 1, 2, and ready. One more time. 1, 2, and ready. Alright, so you just did a bunch of repetitions all in a row, and that's a great way to practice. Just do things over and over and over until they get right. Now let's play the first 4 notes coming down. For brass players, if you start on the top note, you gotta blow really, really hard, and same thing with the flutes. Blow really hard right away so the note comes out. 1, 2, and ready. Again, and go. Again, and go. Last time, and go. Alright, now let's play it all the way down. And we're going to do it several times in a row. That way, what we're doing is we're just building our muscle memory so that your fingers just basically memorize what's going on. That way you don't have to think about it anymore. All the way down. I'm not going to hold the last note for 5 full counts. There we go. All the way down. 1, 2, and ready. Again, and... Again, and go. Last time, go. Alright, now, you've just done a ton of repetitions. If there are any of these things that you weren't super successful at, if you could not get it by the end of those repetitions, I suggest you go back and you redo them. If you have been successful, let's go ahead and let's do the entire scale up and down. Your goal is to make it all the way through, 0 pauses and 0 mistakes. 1, 2, ready. So how'd you do? Did you make it all the way through without any pauses or mistakes? Were you playing right with me? If not, let's try that again. Try and mash down those buttons so you line up right with me. 1, 2, ready. Now, if you mash down your buttons and you were perfect with me, how about let's make it sound a little bit easier. Some people, when they mash down buttons, they just play like this. Because that makes it easier to, like, make sure they're pounding out the note. Now, how about can you do it and make it sound musical? Can you make it sound like a song as opposed to just a bunch of notes? There you go, last time, up and down. 1, 2, ready. Just so you know, when you master your scales, everything becomes so much easier. Like, I'll just fiddle around a little bit for you on that same scale, on that B-flat concert scale. I'm just gonna make this stuff up. But because I played that B-flat scale so many times, literally tens of thousands of times in my life, this becomes really easy. So I just made that up off the top of my head, but because I've got my muscles memorized on which buttons come next in a scale, I'm able just to do that, and it's really, really easy. Okay, so I hope this helped out. If it didn't help out this one time, maybe go through the entire video again. Just do it over and over and over again until you get it right. Hear where you make mistakes. Keep your fingering chart close by so you can make sure that when you hear something wrong, you make those adjustments. And then when we see each other again, I'll be able to hear you guys play this awesome. There will probably be a recording assignment where you have to record this and you have to play it for me, and I will grade you and check you off on it if you're able to do it, okay? So have a good e-learning break, guys.